What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery drain issue after Android 14 update on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all check for battery draining apps. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now scroll down and from here check which app is using more battery than usual. So you can tap on the app and then you can take action, like you can force stop the app to turn off the background data usage or background battery usage, and after that the battery draining issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the same issue, then turn off the expanded RAM. So for that, open settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings, and then scroll down and here tap on memory extension. Now if you have enabled the RAM plus or memory extension, then tap on off and then tap on reboot. And when you will tap on this reboot option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the memory extension will be disabled. But after doing this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone. Now here scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data. So when you will tap on this erase all data option here, it will erase all data from your phone and make your phone back to factory default. So tap on this option and after that the battery draining issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the battery drain after Android 14 update issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.